Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be exploring some exciting new features introduced in Blue Prism version 7.4. You can find these find in more detail on Blue Prism portal once you log in with your credentials. Under product, you can go to the version 7.4 version release notes, and there you can see the more new features which has been released or the known issues from the previous version which has been resolved. So some of the features which I will be discussing in this videos are Blue Prism has come up with automatic linking, so you don't have to like and with a shortcut I would say, so you don't have to every time click on link or press F3 and so. Okay. Let's start with the first feature, that is you once you call the stage, you don't have to drag and drop. You just have to just click and it will be on the page. So now if you just press Alt and make it close, it will automatically get linked to that stage. So you don't have to press Alt. It You don't have to press, sorry, you don't have to press F3 and the link between start and the reader, and then reader one, and then from reader two is connected. Similarly, if consider you don't want to link at this point and you have to move, uh, just unlink this part, so you can just press Alt Shift and then select this and it will get unlinked. Now again, if I have to link before the end, so I just put press Alt and then left click and it gets linked to that. So this is really a good feature, I would say, both link and unlink. The reason being it makes your development a bit faster, and if you are not used to pressing F3 with your, I mean, if you are not used to using both the hands and using F3 for the using the shortcut key as a link, which was before, and yet still it is there. But if it's a really a good feature, but yeah, again, you have to use, I would say, both hands. So yeah, but it makes overall it makes your development a bit faster. Okay. So now the second one I would say is set next stage. So earlier it would there was many times when you scroll down and then you may either click on the break point or run to the stage. You over navigate and then come to this run to the stage or enable calculation. If you have done a quite development, so you know this was a big pain point. So right now what you can do, there is a shortcut key for this also. Just press Control Shift and then the stage, and that's all. Bot will start running from this point. So like that. So it has become very easy for this. So yes. Now I would say the next feature I will be if I have to discuss, I would say is going with the application modeler. So let's just minimize the size. And anyways, we used to have application modeler. Now we have enhanced application modeler. So you have to just uh, uh, the like options are similar. Identity, it used to be there. So you have to just click on identity or identify. Sorry, identify and then re-identify if any previous element you want to select. But the good feature is you don't have consider if I have to select this page and I have to select username, password, and the login. So I don't have to select three times. Rather, I would go and click on identify, then press the. I will just shift a little bit. Then these are the spying modes automatically will be detected, and then what I can do, I can just press shift. I can select all the elements I want to, and then done. Control left click, control right click, and everything is, I have all the elements. Okay. So and once I apply the changes, I will close this, and once and then what I can do, I can open and I have all the elements. So it's now it has become so easy. You can obviously uh, uh, uncheck the attributes which you feel or may create issue later, and then but yes, you can you can rename the field, and it has become very easy. You don't have to go to and fro, jiggle between the screens, and so it has become very easy, I would say. So yeah, and you can also highlight, so it gets highlighted. So and this is a very cool feature, I would say, which Blue Prism has come up with. Now the one big pain point for everyone who has done the developments. So I would say that is renaming the variables everywhere you are using it. Consider if I create a new page and then I give it as a home page. Now, and I just for the reference or understanding, so yes, I create a single variable at both the places on the page or in the same page also. Let me put at two places. So let me keep the username as this variable as username, and then I will keep as text, and then I will keep as the user as Blue Prism. Now the good feature about is if I use it at two places, not just not consider you are making as a global. So it's not just limited to a single page. Even if you are using on multiple pages, defined a global variable, you can use it. So now if I just I'm renaming it is at step one, and then I will and similarly I will rename this as step two and put the username. So now if I have to run this stage, what I can do, either I can set next stage or I can just put Control Shift and then left click and it gets. So now it copy that data. Now consider somehow in the project requirement or somewhere I just have to change this name and make it client name rather than username. So I can just put as the change the name client name, and it should get changed all the places, so which you can see here. So this is really it would change to client name at all the stages. So trust me, this was really a big pain point for all the developers searching or finding a reference for that variable and then going to the each stage and uh, making the changes. So the this feature is really a very cool feature and very good feature which we were waiting from a long time. So yeah, thank you Blue Prism for coming up with all the new features. I will be making some more videos on the new features apart from this. So yeah, so if so for today, this five features are to discuss. But yeah, as I said, I will be coming with more such videos. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel for more RPA content. We have a plan to build some custom objects in Blue Prism, use basically collection manipulation on about collection manipulation, because in real time there are whatever the we have in Blue Prism, obviously it's always less because we know the scenarios it can come with. So yeah, we will be bringing up that. Thank you for